Dear students and scholars, I am Dr. C.K. Ahmed, Associate Professor of English, engaging UG and PG English language and literature classes for the last 38 years. 32 years, I was in the Department of English, Farooq College, Autonomous Calicut. 4 years, I served in Sunniya Arabic College, Chandamangalore as the principal and academic coordinator. And later, I served in the PG Department of English, MES College, Chathamangalam, and KMO College, Koduvalli. At present, I have been working as the academic coordinator with Lisa Arts and Science College, Narikuni, Calicut, affiliated to University of Calicut. From my experience as an examiner and as chairman of UG and PG examinations of Calicut, Kannur and Hamdard University, I could understand that both UG and PG students of English language and literature are facing difficulties while searching for their project and dissertation topics during their BA and MA courses of study. I wish to forward you some suitable model topics to help you for your project and dissertation preparation. Most of these topics are connected with comparative studies. Also, there are some other topics connected with the teaching of English, ELT, and topics connected with the film studies, regional literature, and from other various areas of English language and literature. Please listen to these topics and choose your topics. I request you to forward these to your friends. So let us continue. First of all, the topics connected with the comparative studies. Some model topics. Portrayal of feminine sensibility in Anida Desai's Cry the Peacock and Where Shall We Go This Summer. A study on Alice Walker's The Color Purple and Mende Nazar's Slave. Woman Imagining Women. A study on Jane Austen's Emma and Pride and Prejudice. Concept of self-different perspectives. A study on Hermann Hesse's Siddhartha and Rabindranath Tagore's Chandalika. Colonizer and the colonized relationship in Daniel Defoe's Robinson Crusoe and Chinua Achbe's Arrow of God. A comparative study on the character of Milton's Satan and Shakespeare's Shylock and Graham Greene's Scobie. Portrayal of the problems of the black in Chinua Achbe's Things Fall Apart and Arrow of God. When history meets drama, a study on final solutions and Indian political theatre. Portrayal of modern civilized society in Arun Joshi's The Strange Case of Billy Bishwas and Babani Bhattacharya's A Dream in Hawaii. River as a Meaning of Life in Hermann Hesse's Siddhartha and Mark Twain's Huckleberry Finn. Theme of violence in the satirical poems of Teddy Hughes and Kegi and Daruwala. Art for art's sake, money for God's sake. Riddle of money in Ibsen's Doll's House and Arthur Miller's All My Sons. Imagining the East, a reading of Othello and Antony and Cleopatra, focusing theory of Orientalism. The Shadow Lines and Train to Pakistan, a post-colonial reading. Portrayal of class and gender in Deshpande's Dar's Long Silence and Anida Desai's Voices in the City. The Colonial Dilemma and Anglo-Indian Influences in Ruskin Bonds, The Room on the Roof, and A Flight of Pigeon. Tradition versus Modernity, a critical study of Kamala Markanda's Nectar in a Sieve and Two Virgins. When the Stone Angel came into life, a comparative study of Hagar in the novel and in the film. Fall of Man in Christopher Marlowe's Dr. Faustus and Joseph Conrad's Heart of Darkness. Echo Consciousness in Sarah Joseph's Gift in Green and Arundhati Roy's The God of Small Things. Love and Society as depicted in Vaikam Muhammad Bashir's Childhood Friend and Me Grandfather and Me Granddad had an Elephant. Theme of Existentialism, a peep into the works of Girish Karnad's Hayavadana and Harold Pinter's The Birthday Party. Theme of Existentialism in Ananda Desai's Bye Bye Blackbird and Cry the Peacock. Mapping the Mystery, a study of sibling bond in the novels of George Eliot and Arundhati Roy. Elements of absurdity in Albert Camus' The Outsider and O.V. Vijayan's Kasakinte Ithihasam. A Journey Towards Selfhood, a comparative study of Sachi Deshpande's Roots and Shadows and The Dark Holds No Terror. Nativism in the selected poems of Nisi Mesikail and A.K. Ramanujan. Small Things Made Good and Long Silence Broken, a comparative study of Sachi Deshpande and Arundhati Roy. Myth and Symbolism in Tennessee Williams' The Glass Menagerie and The Streetcar Named Desire. Schizophrenia in Arthur Miller's The Death of a Salesman and Tennessee Williams' A Streetcar Named Desire. Stylistic and technical devices in James Joyce's Portrait of the Artist as a Young Man and D.H. Lawrence's Sons and Lovers, a comparative study. Geometry of Suffering, Portal of Women in the selected works of Arundhati Roy and Thomas Hardy's, a comparative study. Projection of Violence in King Lear and Lear. Treatment of Guilt in William Golding's Lord of the Flies and Graham Greene's The Heart of the Matter, a comparative study. Alienation and Relationship in Anita Desai's Where Shall We Go in the Summer and Arun Joshi's The Strange Case of Billy Vishwas. Themes of Absurdity in Beckett's Waiting for Godot and Pinder's The Birthday Party. The Birth of an Artist in James Joyce's Portrait of the Artist as a Young Man and in Virginia Woolf's To the Lighthouse. Feminist perspectives in Anita Desai's Cry the Peacock, Voices in the City, and Where Shall We Go this summer. Quest for Identity in Eugene O'Neill's The Hairy Ape, The Emperor Jones, and Morning Becomes Electra. Conflict and its manifestation in Chinua Achbe's Things Fall Apart and in Arrow of God. Imagining of Africa in Joseph Conrad's Heart of Darkness and in Chinua Achbe's Things Fall Apart. Romanticism and Realism in Family, a comparative study of Emily Bronte's Wuthering Heights and Flaubert's Madame Bovary. Sin and Treatment of Sin and Treatment of Sin, a study on Anna Karenina, Madame Bovary, and the Scarlet Letter. Characterization of women in Jane Austen's Pride and Prejudice and in Sense and Sensibility. Inner Visions of Life, a comparative study of Jaya and Indu in Sashi Deshpande's That Long Silence and Roots and Shadows. Feminist Psyche and Abnormal Consciousness in Ananda Desai's Cry the Peacock and Voices in the City. Portrayal of the women characters in Doll's House and in Pygmalion, a study in comparison. Expressionistic elements in Eugene O'Neill's Hairy Ape and in The Emperor Jones, a study in comparison. Portrayal of human characters in Kamala Markandeya's Nectar in a Sieve, Some Inner Fury and in Silence of Desire. Self-alienation in the place of Eugene O'Neill, a study of The Emperor Jones and the Hairy Ape. Realism and feminism in Ibsen's Heroines. Voices of Absurdity in Beckett's Waiting for Godot and in Janet in the Balcony. A study on portrayal of nature in Robert Frost, John Keats and William Wordsworth. Social realism in George Bernard Shaw's Pygmalion and Major Barbara. Colonialism and racism in Doris Lessing's The Class is Singing and Joseph Conrad's Heart of Darkness. Extramarital affairs in men and women. A study on Flaubert's Madame Bovary and Karen Jobs' Kabi Alvida. Portrayal of Indian panorama in R.K. Narayan's Swami and Friends and in The Financial Expert. Social and psychological concerns in Arthur Miller's All My Sons and in Death of a Salesman. Theme of love in Robert Browning's My Last Touches and in Christina Rossetti's In a Birthday. The role of Bildungsroman in American novels, The Red Badge of Courage and the Adventures of Huckleberry Finn. Confinement of Resurrection, an expedition through Santiago from the Old Man and the Sea, and Hagar from the Stone Angel. The Labyrinth of Female Quest in the selected works of Kate Chopin and Gustave Flaubert. The Occidental Quest for Oriental Spiritualism in Siddhartha and Journey to Ithaca. A study of Siddhartha and Zobra, Journey on Parallel Roads. Women versus Nature, a rereading of Margaret Atwood's Surfacing and The Handmaid's Tale. Theme of racism in Mark Twain's Huckleberry Finn and Ralph Ellison's Invisible Man. The Voice of Subaltern, a study on color purple and the God of small things. Gender, stereotypes and the web confinement, female experiences in Sons and Lovers, Anna Karenina and Madame Bovary. Home and the Adopted Nations, a study based on the success stories of Lahiri and Mystery. The Politics of Women, The Politics of Women Theatre, an insight into Top Girls and Mother 1084. Lesbianism as an expression of the dissent, a study on Alice Walker's The Color Purple and Winterson's Oranges Are Not in the Only Fruit. A comparative analysis of the reader, the viewer responses in the life of P. Darkness Then and Now, the treatment of imperialism in Heart of Darkness and Apocalypse Now. Archetypal Horizons in J.K. Rowling's Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. Life of Subaltern in Untouchable and Coolie. Theme of Illusion versus Reality. Arthur Miller's Death of a Salesman and Tennessee Williams' A Streetcar Named Desire. From passive victims to active agents. Treatment of women in Chinua Achebe's Things Fall Apart and Andils of Savannah. Portrayal of racial subjugation in Eugene O'Neill's The Emperor Jones and Amiri Baraka's Dutchman. Existence as Nightmare, a study of life in Kafka's The Trial and Ralph Ellison's The Invisible Man. Portrayal of Cleopatra in Shakespeare's Antony and Cleopatra and Bernard Shaw's Caesar and Cleopatra. Intertextual strategies in Midnight's Children and The Tin Drum, a comparative study. Blend of expressionism and realism in Eugene O'Neill's The Emperor Jones and Arthur Miller's Death of a Salesman. Image of women in The God of Small Things and in Cry the Peacock, a comparative study. The social outcasting of the female protagonists, Sarah Woodruff and Hester Prynne. Expressionism and terrifying vision of life in Eugene O'Neill's The Emperor Jones and the Hairy Ape, a study in comparison. Portrayal of Puritan women in Scarlet Letter. Theme of absurdity in Pinder's Birthday Party and Beckett's Waiting for Godot, a comparative study. Dramatizing religious martyrdom, a comparative study of T.S. Eliot's Murder in the Cathedral and George Bernard Shaw's Saint John. Theme of partition and post-colonial Indian situation in Kushan Singh's Train to Pakistan and Bapsi Sidhwa's Ice Candy Man. Theme of social Darwinism in Hardy's Far from the Madding Crowd and the Mayor of Casterbridge. Portrayal of Jesus in the Gospel according to Jesus Christ and the Last Temptation of Christ. Affectation of personal legend, a study of the alchemist and Siddhartha. Realistic tradition in R.K. Narayan's A Study of Swami and Friends. The Bachelor of Arts and the Guide. Racial consciousness in Amiri Baraka's Dutchman and Lorraine Hansberry's A Racing in the Sun. Portrayal of Afrocentric and Eurocentric Africa in Joseph Conrad's Heart of Darkness and Chinua Achebe's Things Fall Apart. Portrayal of Dalit life in Tamil writer Bama's Sangadi and in Karukku. Mythical elements in Girish Karnad's Hayavadana and Nagamandala. Deployment of time and space in absurd place, a study of Waiting for Godot and dumbwaiter. Religious themes in the selected poems of John Donne and George Herbert, a study in comparison. Eco-feminist reading on the selected poems of William Wordsworth, Keats and H.T. Coleridge. Depiction of heroines in God of Small Things, The Dowry Bride, a comparative study. Racial consciousness in Amiri Baraka's Dutchman and in Lorraine Hansper's A Racing in the Sun. Effectuation of personal legend, a study of The Alchemist and Siddhartha. Diaspora, shifting between order and disorder, a post-colonial reading of Khalid Hussein's The Kite Runner and A Thousand Splendid Suns. Mother concept, a comparative study of Gandhari and Maurya. Portrayal of female solidarity in Khalid Hussein's A Thousand Splendid Suns and Alice Walker's Color Purple, a comparative study. Journey through illusion, a study of the class Malagari and streetcar named Desire. Destabilizing patriarchy, a study of Girish Karnad's Nagamandala and Yayadi. Voices of the colonized, a study on God of Small Things and Midnight Children. Marxian approach in Dickens, Oliver Twist and David Copperfield. Religious and cultural hybridity in Midnight Children and in The God of Small Things, a study in comparison. The archetypal in Heroes, in Novi Vijayan's The Legend of Kazakh and in Cousin Sobra, the Greek. Human thirst for the divine in Songs of Solomon and Gitanjali, a comparative study. Primitivism in William Golding's Lord of the Flies and Joseph Conrad's Heart of Darkness. Discrimination, racism, and casteism in Color Purple, Color Purple, and in God of Small Things, a comparative study. Restructuring Self, a study of Tashi Deshpande's The Binding Wine and Arundhati Roy's The God of Small Things. From Guilt to Suicide, a study of Arthur Miller's All My Sons and Death of a Salesman. Society and Realism in Charles Dickens, Hard Times and Emulkaj Anand's Coolie, a study in comparison. Black Consciousness in Toni Morrison's Tar Baby and the Blue Sky. A psychoanalytic approach to The Kite Runner and A Thousand Splendid Suns. The Sense of Self in Marlowe's The Heart of Darkness and The Captain in The Scarlet Letter. Theme of witchcraft in The Scarlet Letter and in The Crucible. Theatre for Culture and Identity, a study of Wolfsoyinka's Death and the King's Horseman. Revisiting Africa, a journey through Arrow of God and Heart of Darkness. Existential Dilemma in Beckett's Waiting for Godot and Badal Sarkar's Iram Indrajit. Friendship, loyalty and betrayal as depicted in Khalid Hussein's The Kite Runner and A Thousand Splendid Suns. Realism in Kamala Markandeya's Nectar in a Sieve and A Handful of Rice. Women in Gothic, a study of Margaret Atwood's Cat's Eye and Emily Bronte's Wuthering Heights. Self-exploration of the protagonist, a study of Hermann Hesse's Siddhartha and Paul Coelho's The Alchemist. Treatment of Women in D.H. Lawrence, Sons and Lovers, and Women in Love. Familial Concepts in Arthur Miller's All My Sons and Death of a Salesman. Oppression, oppressive powers, discrimination, and minority issues in Ralph Ellison's Invisible Man and Toni Morrison's Star Baby. Role of city as a self in the sculpture poems of Nissim Ezekiel and Jayanta Mahapatra. African myth and ethnic culture involves Soingas, the Road, and the Lion and the Jewel. Fall of Man in Marlowe's Dr. Faustus and Joseph Conrad's Heart of Darkness. Tradition versus Modernity, a study of Kamala Markandeya's Nectar in a Sieve and Two Virgins. Anglo-Indian influences and colonial dilemma in Ruskin Bones, The Room on the Roof, and A Flight of Pigeons. The relationship between the colonizer and the colonized in Daniel Defoe's Robinson Crusoe and Chinua Achebe's Era of God. East-West literary blending in William Wordsworth and G. Shankarakuru. Feminine sensibility in Anita Desai's novels Cry the Peacock and Where Shall We Go This Summer. Art for art's sake, money for God's sake, riddle of money in Ibsen's Doll's House and Arthur Miller's All My Sons. A comparative study of Milton's Satan, Shakespeare's Shylock, and Graham Greene's Scrooge. River as a meaning of life in Siddhartha and in Adventures of Huckleberry Finn. Portrayal of modern civilized society in Arun Joshi's The Strange Case of Billy Biswas and Babani Bhattacharya's Dream in Hawaii, a comparative study. Pictorial and representation of human and animal life in the selected poems of William Blake and Ted Hughes. Portrayal of philosophy and psychology in Dostoevsky's Crime and Punishment and The Brother Karamazov. Male interpretation in That Long Silence and Cry the Peacock. Alienation and lonely individuality in M.T. Vasudevan Nayar's Mist, Asuravith and Second Turn. Marriage as a patriarchal construct in Cry the Peacock and The Long Silence. Historical romance in Walter Scott's Ivanhoe and C.V. Raman Pilla's Marthandavarma. Myth and archetypes in R.K. Narayan's The Financial Expert and Raja Rao's The Serpent and the Rope. Confessional elements in Lady Kazaram and the Lost Nirambari, a comparative study. Portrayal of Parsi diaspora in Dohinton Mysteries, Such a Long Journey and Family Matters. Multiculturalism in Dohinton Mysteries, A Fine Balance and Lahiri's The Namesake. The panorama of existence in Khalid Hossein's The Kite Runner and A Thousand Spent Suns. The treatment of death in selected poems of Emily Dickinson and Sylvia Plath, a comparative study. Love and Laws, a comparative study of Thomas Hardy's Under the Greenwood Tree and Mayor of Casterbridge. Crisis and Catharsis, a study of confessional elements in the selected poems of Sylvia Plath and Nandita K.S. From Darkness to Dawn, a study of female characters in R.K. Narayan's The Dark Room and The Guide. Glimpses of Indian Feminism, a study on Anita Desai's Fasting, Feasting, and Sashi Deshpande's Roots and Shadows, and Bharat Mukherjee's Wife. The Portrayal of Wounded Psyche of Africa, a comparative study of Chinua Achebe's Things Fall Apart, No Longer at Ease, and The Era of God. Portrayal of history, politics, and cultural background in Khalid Hussein's Afghanistan, Islam, and Taliban. Animals' Wisdom and Human Ignorance, a combined study of animal poems of D.H. Lawrence and Ted Hughes. Theme of salvation and damnation in Graham Greene's The Power and the Glory and Heart of the Matter. Black Consciousness in Negritude Poetry, a study of the selected poems of Senghar, Diop, and Okara. The sea as a symbol of life in Thagai's Chemin, and in Ernest Hemingway's The Old Man and the Sea. Mother characters in Mahashada Devi's Mother of 1084 and Maxine Gorky's Mother. A view of alienation techniques in Brecht's Epic Theatre and in Kathakali. Indianness in R.K. Narayan's The Guide, The Man-Eaters of Malgudi, a comparative study. Parent-child bond, a study of death, a study of sales, death of a salesman and the glass menagerie. Conflict between illusion and reality, the glass menagerie and a streetcar named Desire, a comparative study. Portrayal of the marginalized society in Mulkraj Anand's Coolie and Two Leaves and a Bud. Portrayal of incredible India in Raja Rao's Kantapura and the Serpent and the Rope. Portrayal of Dalit consciousness in selected works of Om Prakash Valmiki. Symbolic elements in selected poems of W.B. Yeats. Post-colonial elements in Kiran Desai's The Inheritance of Laws. Between Roots and Exile, a study on selected poems of Ramanujan. Isolation of human soul in selected stories of N.S. Madhavan. The concept of Tarawad and disintegration of families, a study on selected novels of M.T. Vasudevan Nair. Portrayal of caste system in Thagai's Thottiyude Magan and in the movie Pariyerum Perumal. Women Mirroring the World, a study on Malayalam stories Pavitram, Manichitrattai and അയാൾ കഥ എഴുതുകയാണ്. Representation of women in the selected works of Vaikom Muhammad Bashir. Love and Society in Vaikom Muhammad Bashir's Childhood Friend. Subjugation of women in the Brahminical setting, a study on Lalitambika Antarjanam's Agni Sashi. Barriers of Translation, a study on Vaikom Muhammad Bashir's Me Granddad Had an Elephant and the World-Renowned Nose. Quest for Female Identity in K.R. Meera's Arachar. Portrayal of Life and Nature in Vaikom Muhammad Bashir's Bhumiyude Avakashigal. Aspect of Mythology in M.T. Vasudevan Nair's Randamuzham. Distortion of Joint Family System and Culture in M.T. Vasudevan Nair's Nalukattu. Revisiting Malabar, a journey through Kamala Das' poems. Mirroring the World of Chemin, a comparative study of the translation of Narayan Menon and Anita Nair. Plagiarism in Malayalam films, a study on Big B, Cocktail, and Anwar. Portrayal of astrology in Malayalam film, a study based on 5 films. New Wave films with reference to Majid-e-Majid's Children of Heaven. Portrayal of female protagonists in the selected films of Adoor. Love and Society in Muhammad Bashir's Childhood Friend. Magical realism in Toni Morrison's beloved Fringe shows. The eco-critical aspects in J.M. Singh's Riders to the Sea. Portrayal of social injustice in Charles Dickens' Oliver Twist. Theme of death in the selected poems of Sylvia Plath. East-West incompatibility, an exploration of Kamala Markandeya's fictional world. Myth in Girish Karnad's Hayavadana. The eco-critical aspects in Riders to the Sea. Social and biographical sketches in selected novels of Charles Dickens. Macbeth and Julius Caesar, a study in comparison. The Unusual Homecoming, a study of the themes of self-quest in Margaret Atwood's Surfacing. Allegories of Estrangement, a study of existential elements in the novels of Kafka. Patriarchy, The Inevitable Trap, a psychoanalytic study of Arundhati Roy's novel The God of Small Things. Language, character and being, a manifestation of speech and silence in Pindarian analysis. Power play in the selected poems of Sylvia Plath. A reading of Gloria Naylor's Women of Brushton Place. Seamus Heaney's Bog Poems, a critical reading. Eco-critical reading of The Awakening. Juvenile heroism in Mark Twain's Adventures of Tom Sawyer and Huckleberry Finn. Class conflicts in Wuthering Heights. Sons and Lovers, a feminist perspective. Conflict between good and evil in William Golding's Lord of the Flies and Lord of the Flies. Tireless Waiting, a study of Kamala Das' selected poems. Waiting for Godot, a parable of the absurdity of existence. Representation of the Black Revolutionary Theatre in Amiri Baraka's Dutchman and the Slave. Pandemonium, portrayal of violence of partition in Kushal Singh's Train to Pakistan. Midnight's Children, a rereading of Paradise Lost. Portrayal of the political events in post-colonial Afghanistan, a study on the Kite Runner. Portal of autobiographical elements in the selected poems of Kamala Das. Metaphysical and fragmented elements in Doris Lessing's The Golden Notebook. Self-portrayal in Charles Dickens' David Copperfield, Journey of Copperfield. Journey of self-actualization in The Kite Runner. Indian feminism in That Long Silence. The Sublime in Melville's Moby Dick. Nature, pastoralism, and narrative techniques in selected poems of Robert Frost. Black feminism in the selected poems of Maya Angelou. Treatment of women in Sons and Lovers. The problem of religious dilemma in Murder in the Cathedral. Caste consciousness in God of Small Things. An eco-critical study of Seamus Heaney's selected Bob poems. Theme of power in Orwell's Animal Farm. Breaking Boundaries of Time and Language, a postmodern reading of Arundhati Roy's The God of Small Things. Fictional Travelogue, a study on the selected works of Julius Verne and James Hilton. Mulkraj Anand's Two Leaves and a Bud as an epic of misery. Portal of 19th century Victorian life in the Mayor of Casterbridge. Decoding the Taboos. Gender Discourses in Kerala Muslims Women Writing, a study on Bursha and Rabia. Social Development in Lakshadweep, a case study of Kadamath Island. World of Family and Reality in the selected poems of Girish Karnad. These are some model topics. You can choose your topics and prepare your dissertation and project. Thank you.